absolute best strategy there is in the stock market is to sell options. Instead of buying options, which most people do and most people fail, are there successful people? Of course. Most people are not successful. Same thing as most people are not pro athletes. Selling options is a much easier and much better way to consistently make money in the stock market. When stocks are pulling back, it is such a huge advantage to sell cash secured put options and get paid to buy stocks. Or you can just get paid and not even have to buy the stock. You're just collecting monthly income on your cash that is sitting in your buying power. And my personal favorite strategy is selling covered calls. When you already have 100 shares of a company, you can put those 100 shares up as collateral, pick your strike price that you are willing to sell that stock at, and if it goes above that number by the expiration date that you specifically choose, you have to then sell the stock. But if it stays below, all you get to do is keep collecting the premium. You're using your shares as collateral. It is literally like real estate, except you're collecting money and not having to depend on an actual tenant living in your house, possibly destroying your house. Nothing is gonna break. And if the stock does break and fall down, you just keep collecting premium nonstop. And if the stock goes up, let it run. Don't sell covered calls, because that's when you get in trouble. When the stock is hot, don't touch it, let it go. And then sell covered calls, say at resistance levels where you know the stock is gonna have a very hard time going above that level. And if it does, perfect. You can sell half your shares in your covered call if you have more than 100, if you have 200, if you have 300, 400, 500, however much you have. You're then able to trim your positions and take little bits of profit. You get that money back and you can still let the rest of those shares ride for infinite profit.